Enjoy every moment of your life. Fill your past with amazing memories. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi Jen, happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings. At sana matupad na yung mga wish mo. Especially yung wish mo ngayong birthday mo. Sana matupad na. Ayan. Stay safe and God bless.
Surprise! Hello Jen, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam ko masaya ka dahil pinaghandaan mo itong birthday mo to at gumawa ka pa ng Grand LS para sa birthday mo. So kaming nasa baba, kami po yung sumusuporta, kayong mga kasama namin sa YouTube, kami po yung sumusuporta sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Nakilala kita sa isang LS sa Ingrata. So doon nag-umpisa yung ating pagkilanlan sa bawat isa hanggat na lumaki yung ating samahan. Nagkaroon tayo ng GC hanggang ngayon. So nagkaroon tayo ng malalim na pagkilanlan. So ang pagkilala ko sa iyo, ikaw ay mabait, kaya tinawag kita lagi sa LS ay Mami, kasi ikaw yung sa aking tingin, ikaw yung Mami, ikaw yung mother doon sa GC. Kaya yan lagi ang binabanggitin. Pero walang mali sa yun. At yun ang pagkilala ko sa iyo, papait ka eh. Kaya bonus yun sa iyo. Happy birthday. At sana ang birthday namin sa iyo ni YT, muli ka na. Kaya keep in touch na lang sa bawat isa at huwag makalimot sa taas, huwag malimutin sa mga kababayan mo at sa amin na iyong mga kasama. Happy birthday at pagpalain ka lang Panginoon. Bigyan kita ng isang encouragement verse sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Thank you, Jen. Happy birthday muli. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. God bless.
Happy birthday Tita Jen. Ang more birthdays to come. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Sana mamuli ka na as soon as possible. At yun lang. Huwag ka magpapalis. Stay pretty. At sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad mo. Thank you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, more birthdays to come pa. At sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. At sana mamuni ka na rin para masaya na ang lahat. Ayan, I love you so much.
Hello Jen, happy birthday. Ang itsura ko para ng huwag mo na pansinin, basta mag-greet na lang ako sa'yo. Wish ko sana magpagpatuloy mo pa yung kabaitan mo at matulungin mo at sana marami ka pang matulungan gaya natin mga YouTuber at sana wish ko lumago pa yung channel mo at makamit mo ang dapat mong makamit sa larangan ng YT at sana maging mabait lagi, be humble at wish you all the best and happy birthday Jen. God bless.
Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too, and I know love is like the phases of the moon.
Happy birthday.
And happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday.
And I know
Happy birthday Tita Jen. Ang more birthday.
you would say I gave up.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen.
Hello, Bijen, Jennifer Agrabante. Today is your special day. I want to greet you a happy birthday. Wish ko lang more birthdays to come, good health always, and yun, all the luck and best and love life as well. So I hope you enjoy your day. birthday
I don't
and
know
your
if I
special
do.
day. And thank you. Bye.
Sometimes I think about the good days.
Hello,
we
Be.
had,
Happy birthday to you.
but they were bad days.
More and much more birthday to come. Wish mo sana, di ba, yung mamoni ka na. Inshallah, mamamoni ka na. Soon. Okay? Happy birthday, Be.
And I know
Hi, good afternoon everybody, especially to you, Ma'am Jennifer Agravante. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am. More birthdays to come, and may the God bless your channel. Greetings from Dong Sumidla. Bye-bye.
that's la la la. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la la la. That's la la la. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Hi, Jennifer Agrabante. I just want to say congratulations for being monetized channel. I'm so happy for you, and I'm always here to support you, and I'm glad that I'm part of your YT journey, you know. And I'm always here for you. And again, congratulations. And this is Regina Karen. Have a nice day and keep safe. Bye.